We're taking on a full home LVP install. Before we get started, I always like showing the raw space so you can see the real transformation from start to finish. Every step matters when you're trying to deliver a clean, professional finish. Time to get to work. We make sure the tools are dialed in. The table saw to get the proper cuts around door frames, tapping blocks, laser levels, brackets. These are the little things that prevent a floating floor from drifting later on. With LVP, that 1/4 inch expansion gap around every wall, cabinet, and doorway is non-negotiable. Vinyl moves with temperature, and across a big room, it can shift an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch through the year. That space is what keeps the floor from buckling. The starter row sets the entire job. Straight now means straight everywhere. Walls can wander, the level doesn't. Once the first row foundation is set, you can see the work then starts to fly away. So fast, this might actually be real-time footage. This part looks fast and hyperlapse, but we're constantly making small adjustments. Keeping the line tight here makes the rest of the install smooth. An alternative to a tapping block is hands of steel. The key is to list it as satisfying click to give confirmation. Prep work and edge cuts always take the majority of the time. But as you see, once you get into a rhythm, Cut, lock, tap, repeat. That's the process. And once those final rows click in, it's time for the best part, the walkthrough. And then it's time to celebrate. Here's the finished install. Clean seams, consistent lines, tight joints, and a full floating system with proper expansion all the way around. This is what it looks like when the prep and layout come together.